everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we are here at Town and Country. This subdivision is secured, and also this is very close to SM Talabastagan, specialist schools, and as well as yung talagang pinaka-city ng Angeles. Now, we are going to check this huge, classic Spanish-Filipino house here. This is a 7-year-old house. This was built before pandemic, so it's not that very old talaga. Yun lang yung theme na ginawa ng pinaka-owner. I'm going on this side. It came from that corner, napakahaba niya kasi. This side is your around 4 to 6 vehicle carport. Pahaba siya, anong lawak-lawak. So that's it. That's the end of the property. And at this hour, mga magfa 5 p.m. na, napakaganda ng frontage niya because of this fully grown trees. I think this is Talisay. I'm not sure of this one, but it's very beautiful. It complements the classic theme of this house. Now, let's enter the pedestrian gate. Na-excite ako kasi, well, I love the modern contemporary home, but I also love this kind of house. Yung mga classic nga yung style nila. Your pedestrian gate welcomes you with this. It's a sun type. Kumbaga, pwede nyo pa siyang i-covered. Or yung mga nagva-vines na halaman. Ang ganda-ganda niya as well. Pwedeng yellow bell, yung mga ganun. The usual Filipino homes, diba? They put yellow bells para mag-vines and then mag-cover na ng patio. I mean, entrance nyo na to. We still have 2 access from your pedestrian gate. I'll go on this side na lang because this is your... Oh yeah, ito nga pala, Bel. Di pa ako, pre-practice ko pa kanina. Yan. Welcome to your dream home. Pergola. Okay, that's pergola daw. First time ko yon. Puntahan natin to dito. Diba? Very Filipino home. Yung may garden ka. Oh, we still have another access para here. Direct sa carport nyo. Napakalawak din ng carport nyo. I'll be very careful. Mali pala yung aking nasuot na heels. So anyway, yeah, this is my co-host. Ang dumi-dumi niya na. This is Shanty Doe. May lakad ka ba mamaya? Pwede ka ba makasama sa paggagala? Pero wag niyo siyang hanapin sa mga next video ko. Ngayon lang yan. And then this side, mention ko na lang kasi ito yung pinaka-tank sa pang garden lang na tubig. Separate pa yung pinaka-use, ay pinaka-ginagamit ng main house. And then this side, as of now, serves as a storage. Pero, kung sino man makakabilis, pwede nyo gamitin as, sa maid's quarter, driver's quarter, kasi this one is a toilet and bath. And another corner is this one. Yan. Ito yung other tank na ginagamit ng pinakabuong bahay na, di ba? That's it. Bakit may pang-garden kayo at the same time separate pa yung water tank nila? And this one is just a direct access coming from your master bedroom. It's very beautiful, but I wanna explore more yung pinaka-main door natin. So siguro I'll see you there na lang. Ang saya, ang sarap sa feeling ng gantong bahay. Additional na naman to sa papangarapin yung style ng house. Ayan. On the other side naman, entering from your pedestrian gate, you have this huge lawn. Pwede i-convert nyo for a swimming pool, pwede mag-host ng event sa other side ng property. And to give you an idea, kaya siya ganun kalaki, this sets at 1,156 for the lot area. Ganun siya kalaki. Yeah. So, pwede siyang, actually, driveway to. And you have a fully grown mango tree. Ito, ano kasi yung santol? This is santol. Tapos may avocado nga daw dito. Ito naman, atis. And then, since we are here na, ito yung pinaka dirty kitchen nila. Nandito siya sa labas. Diba? Yung mga usual homes talaga noon, ganito. Ay, wow! So you have quartz for your countertop. Pero para siyang marble na. Ayan, this is your dirty kitchen. Amazing. Classic Filipino home. Yung mga classic Filipino home, yung mga as in yung mga noon pa. Ay, punta pa ako dito. Give it another. Meron pa tayong likod. Dito naman yung mga service kitchen as well as yung mga condenser ng aircon na rin. Ayan. And this, washer and dryer na. Kasama na to sa sale ng bahay. And as you can see, a very spacious, pa rin, a setback. And also, meron tayong access door dito, papunta dito sa likod. Yan. Ang init ng hangin ng condensed. Parang no choice ako doon, napadaan ako. Where should we go next? Gusto kong bumalik sa pinaka-front ng property. Again, I'll see you there. Napakalaki kasi ng bahay. Now, going to this side. Parang si Shanti or yung co-host ko yung nagli-lead sa akin where to go next. No? Now, we are back to sa pergola, sa main entrance na to. And now, we will explore yung pinaka-main house nyo na. Pero let me just add one thing about this house. Kung nakikita nyo naka-elevate din siya. Yung mga, noon na-experience ko yung ganong bahay naka-elevate, tapos yung ilalim may mga manok, birds, yung gano'n. Minsan nga tatatambayan pa yan Pero this one, wala naman. Talagang naka-elevate lang. Aside from naka-elevate na talaga yung pinaka-property niya sa pinaka-main road natin. Ang ganda-ganda ng subdivision na to. Ang lapit niya sa lahat ng basic needs or talagang everyday needs natin. And apart from that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 steps going to your pinaka-main house. Ayan. Once you reach yung patio na to, ang ganda ng feeling pag andito kayo. Parang, lagi nasa vacation. Yung mga Balinese, type na villa. Somehow, ganun yung ginawa nilang theme for this. Kaya ibang materials din, in-import pa from Thailand din. And then, most of the furnitures and then yung materials ng flooring natin, those are Nara. Kaya ang gaganda. Tapos balik ako dito sa left side na to. Doon napakalawak ng patio na to. Ang warm-warm ng feeling. Balik ako dito. Ito, syempre, alam nyo na to. Ito yung side ng carport. Then, from here, makikita nyo kung gaano talaga taas yung bahay. Parang mako-compare din siya sa mga ancestral house. Pero, modern. Just like this one. Ito yung stone cladding. Pero yun yung talagang uso na ngayon sa mga modern houses, right? This side, this is your master bedroom. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina na may direct access going to your carport. Ang dali-dali. Dali lumabas. And this one is another room. Could be a guest room. Rather than access dito. And this side is your setback. Galing na ako dito kanina sa likod. Diyan siguro pwede kayo makapaglagay ng mga additional herbs na halaman. Papatubuin nyo dyan. Diba? Parang mas hinihingal pa yung co-host ko. Babalik ako sa pinakaharap. We may experiences mga cut sa video natin na to dahil napakahaba ng patio na to. So, shortcut lang natin. Now, again, this is your pinaka-main door na talaga. This one yung mga stone cladding, matches yung parang mga ancestral house theme, diba? And then, at the same time, sa mga bandang taas, diba, the usual yung kapag uminit, ay mainit yung sa loob ng bahay, umaangat naman yung init. So, may mga ventilation sa pinakataas ng wall. And at the same time, may CCTV na pala yung buong bahay. So, yung owner niya, nakikita tayo today na nag-shoot kami. Again, and then for your main door, you have your solid wood. And then it's very beautiful kasi may glass na dito, panel. Which you can see kung sino yung nasa gate niya. Now, let's explore what's inside. I'll see you there. Welcome to your dream home. Tara ko lang. Wow, may pati dito may bell pala. Talaga alam na alam yung may pumasok na. And additional security for the main house. May nilagyan na nila ito. Pero it's very beautiful. Matches yung pagka-classic theme ng bahay. And then once you enter, you have your foyer. At the same time, kumbaga separate yung bedroom area. Nahati yung pinaka-main house going to your dining and then kitchen. So, meron tayong nasa gitna. And let's explore first yung mga bedrooms and your living room. Let me know your thoughts pagpasok natin, kung ano yung feeling nyo pag pasok natin sa loob ng house. Kasi for me, ang very eye-catching for me is the cathedral ceilings. Ang ganda-ganda niya because of the wood accent. Yung almond color din yung ginamit nilang color for all the wood material. Now, this is your living room. This one is a modern sofa na, pero it complements pa rin yung wooden style nung console, TV console, and then yung wall, and then ito nga mga for the ceiling. And this kind of window, napakaganda, no? Kasing material to. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko kaninang one of the most old material sa mga window. Yung kapis na material. And also yung design. Yung uusog nyo lang. Ngayon kasi, di ba, mga glass panel, sliding doors, oo. Mga kauna-unahang sliding doors. Sliding windows. Pero yun yung mga mahal na noon. Mas lalo pa ngayon. And then may mga extra yan for those who wants to avail this house. May mga extra po na kapis once may nabasag. May mga extra yan dito. Ang galing. Nakaabang na. Advanced thinking yung pinaka-owner nito. Oo nga naman, kasi binild nila to for them, which is retirement home sana for them. And then this one is also included as well, sabi din ni owner. And then this side is a mini attic, pero explore ko yan later on. Pakita ko muna yung mga bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms to explore. Konti lang yung bedrooms, pero ang lalaki ng bedroom. Talagang ma-feel nyo na parang yung nagbabakasyon kayo sa mga grandparents nyo. Yung ganun yung nafe-feel ko dito. Hindi ko kasi na-experience yun, kaya natutuwa ako. Ganun pala siya kapag naka-visit ka ng mga parang ancestral house talaga. This will be your master bedroom. And then as you can see, you have a wooden then yung pinaka-bed frame. This is a Nara material then. King size, and then also lahat ng material talagang wooden. Kaya warm yung pagpasok nyo sa bahay. This one, diba? Very classic drawer. Dresser pala. Tapos ang bibigat ng material. Shanti! Wait a bit. Tapos sa likod ng pinto natin, pagpasok natin ng main door, ito na yung mini walk-in closet. Ayan siya. Mini na lang to. Repaint na lang siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya ulit. So, ganito yung yung door. Parang may ventilation pa rin. Then we have another sliding door, which also serves as your full body size mirror is your, wow, may his and her sink. Large mirror as well. High ceiling, wow. And then a large shower area. Shower area. You have your separate toilet as well. Very large, no? Separate area yung shower. Set pa. Ipapakita pa ako ulit sa inyo. Ito yung direct access. Ay, hindi ko na pabuksan. Ito yung direct access going to your carport. Kumbaga, easy access sa mga pinaka-owner. Kasi ito agad yung door na yun. Let's show them some B-roll na lang dahil hindi ko na pabuksan kanina. But it's very nice. Mas napakatahimik ng subdivision talaga. The next room naman, madali siyang ma-access coming from your master bedroom. Dito siya, para kang may mini hallway ulit going to the rest of the other bedrooms. Before that, you have a classic cabinet. Sa end ng mga hallway, di ba mga ganun? And also included. Tapos, this is... Ay. another room. This side, ayan yung cabinet for the clothes. And then going to this side, alam na alam yung hindi nagamit talaga yung rooms. Kasi talagang binild kasi to for them to have a home kapag umuwi sila coming from US. Pero talagang hindi sila nagsistay that long. Kaya yan, hindi nagamit. This is the second bedroom. Also, ito yung my direct access coming from your carport. Ito yan siya. You have your vanity. Parang ang tigas-tigas ng kahoy niya. Ang ganda-ganda ng materials. Both side may bedside table. And then, double size for the mattress. Ay! Hala! Muntik na akong dumiretso. Dito din, sliding door. May ensuite, toilet and bath. You have your toilet over here. You have your sink and a shower area. Tapos tignan nyo. May pang dito pa. Oh yes! Mag-aalam pala tayo. Mag-feature pala tayo ng mga tatay ko, Kapampangan words and Bicol. Kung paano ka mag-Bicol. Ayan, gagaya nun, bangkito. Bangkito na yun. Now let's go to the next room. We only have 3 bedrooms for this house. Talagang uwian lang ng family. Diba, from that's your master bedroom, that's your second bedroom, this is the hallway going to the next bedroom. Didn't notice lang this one. Ah, ito, mga linens. Ganda-ganda. Ito, next room naman. Hello. Ayan. Pagpasok ng door for the third bedroom, andito din sa side niya yung cabinet for your clothes. This will be your toilet and bath, and you have a spacious area for your bed naman. Pwede pa actually kahit king size bed for this room. Ganun din siya kalaki. Lahat lahat may aircon and everything. A little upgrade kung gusto niyo mas maganda talaga yung bahay. They also have the same style ng mga toilet and bath. Mga separate corners. Separate with this thick partition, concrete partition. Tsaka pag ganitong bahay, alam yung well-treated yung paligid. Kasi more of wood. Alam siya naaalagaan. You can tell naman, kahit 7 years old na yung bahay, you can tell na talagang well-maintained, especially yung mga flooring. Siya. Floor wax. Nostalgic. Floor wax. Elementary days. And then this side, ito yung monitor ng CCTV. Dito siya nakalagay. Everything is wooden. Knock, knock. And we're gonna go back from your main entrance. Ito muna papakita ko sa inyo. Well, actually, viral na lang. Parang natatakot ako umakyat. You have a spiral staircase going to your mini attic. That's it. Ano yan? Pwedeng kung may mga kids kayo na mahilig maglaro, pwede silang dyan. Well, with syempre, with bantay. That's for that. And then, going to the other half of this beautiful property is your spacious dining area. Look at this one. Wait lang. On this side pala, you have console table pa rin. The nice cut ng wood. Ayan, tapos stone cladding pa rin yung pinaka-likod niya. Tapos ito yung favorite ko. Spacious na dining area. Can fit up to 12 people dito. Parang somehow table ng Last Supper, right? No? Alin? Kapag pipanganan. Ne? Sa amin, kaunan. Yung kaunan. Yun sa amin. Kapag pipanganan pala dito siya. Diba? Very beautiful. Oo, solid wood. It's very simple, pero kaya mag-accommodate talaga ng up to 12 people. Lalo pag may mga family events kayo. Tapos lipat ako dito sa other side. This is your, kusina. So this will be your casillas. Sa amin matigas lang, casillas. Dito sa Kapampangan, casillas for your powder room. Yan, na may bangkito ulit. Ito yung powder room nila. For this house. For your guest. Tapos this one, everyone loves a huge formal kitchen. Grabe na, ang linis-linis talaga ng floor, kaya natutuwa ako. Your formal kitchen is this one. You have your island countertop, and it's made of a solid wood pa rin. Not the usual quartz or a marble countertop. No, pero it's not. It's wood. Kahit yung chairs yung made of wooden. Even all the cabinets, overhead cabinets, made of a, wooden. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagka-ukit. Yung ganon, ukit. Ukit. Yeah. This is also included. So the house comes almost fully furnished. Konti na lang yung ilalagay nyo. Ito, this one is quartz. Ito yung quartz na materials. This one also is included. Ito, may mga ilalim din na cabinet to store your pots and pans. Tapos, this side is your, wow, parang kwarto na. Could be your maid's room, pero dito sa loob. Kasi kanina sa labas meron tayong, pwede nang for them, for drivers and maids. Pero ito, pwede din maid's room as well. Or, ito nga, ginawa nilang storage, which is dito nila nalagay yung ibang collection ng laptop, mga ganon. Storage ng stock na gamit. And this door leads to your likod. This one's leads to your where you can do your laundry. Andito naman ako kanina. This is your wash and dryer na rin. Yung setback, yun yung tangkong nasa na ko kanina. And the other side is going to your dirty kitchen as well. So, ito na yung pinaka-access niya para ma-serve kayo sa dining area niya. Shanti, back. Tapos this one, my favorite part. Andito naman ako kanina. Gusto ko lang ma-experience yung i-close yung, wow. Ipinatawag ko kayong lahat. Ano nga kasi yung nag-reenact nung, ano nga kasi yung moving Maria Clara? Ako si Maria Clara, tapos may bisita ako nila ako. Sino ako? Ibarra. Ibarra. Well, this is your, parang medyo wrap around yung patio talaga ng pinakabahay. Kaya pag may mga kids kayo, pwede silang magtakbuhan dito. Ayan. Ito siya. Ito yung door na yun. And I think this is where I would give you your quick recap na. We have another, yung mga furnitures pa pala tayo dito, oh. Yung mga extra furnitures, round table, pwede din dining, or pwedeng dito nga siya sakto sa outdoor kasi andun lang naman yung dirty kitchen natin. Beautiful, right? That's one empty lot, oh. Quick recap na tayo. Dito naman sa other side ng bahay. So, parang both corners by, duyan. Ayan. Okay, for your quick recap, again, this house is a 7-year-old pre-owned for sale here at Town and Country Subdivision, Angeles City. Boundary siya ng Angeles and San Fernando, very close to SM Talabastagan. The house sits at 1,156 square meters for the lot area, and you have 396 square meters for your floor area. And then you have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your 4 to 6 vehicle carport, could be 10, including this other side of the property. And the house comes semi-furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azari Bicolana, Dream Home Finder and Pampanga. See you on our next video.